Hello folks, Samsung has positioned itself as the pioneer in foldable phones, and the Galaxy Flip 4 is its best attempt at a clamshell folding phone to date. It all starts with a slimmer hinge that brings a narrower gap, making the phone more compact and less susceptible to damage. The glass panels on the back are now reinforced with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, while the frame still features armor aluminum. The bezels on the folding screen were also trimmed, while the screen diagonal remains 6.7 inches. The panel is a dynamic AMOLED with Full HD Plus resolution. The 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, or the dynamic part of the lengthy main screen title, is now a 1 to 120Hz affair, meaning that it offers much more granular refresh rate depending on the content displayed, and thus has a gentler impact on the battery power draw. The Flip 4 display may be of Samsung's newest M12 OLED generation that iPhone 14 Pro Max is also rumored to have scored, introducing higher brightness, lower power consumption, and better refresh rate adjustments. You get a 22:9 aspect ratio and a punch hole cutout for the 10-megapixel selfie camera. The AMOLED cover screen measures 1.9 inches and boasts a 260x512 pixels resolution, just like Flip 3, but Samsung has expanded its functionality. You get an array of customization options, including custom panels and themes that sync with the main UI of the phone. You can reply to messages with speech-to-text and emojis directly from the cover screen. There's a growing list of widgets and quick settings controls that allow you to dial your 3 favorite contacts without opening the phone, or control SmartThings home devices. Samsung's Pay cards will be visible directly on the small screen too. Coming with the newest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, the Galaxy Flip 4 already carries the fastest processor on Android phones at the moment, but its 1080p display resolution ensures that it will also be the fastest runner in the world of foldable phones. The 8GB RAM that comes standard and now paired not only with base 128GB storage and a middle 256GB tier, but also with a model that carries the whopping 512GB of storage, something unheard of for a foldable phone in this price range before. The camera department features a pair of 12-megapixel sensors, an optically stabilized 12-megapixels main camera with 1.8 micrometers pixels, which was previously seen on the Galaxy S20, Galaxy S21 and Galaxy Fold 3. It should bring a drastic improvement in image quality compared to the dated sensor of the Flip 3. The ultra-wide snapper is the same 12-megapixels module sitting behind the f/2.4 lens like last year. The software side is covered by One UI 4.1 on top of Android 12, and Samsung is bringing new flex mode options with optimized UX for video calling apps like Google Meet, Zoom and Facebook Messenger. Flex mode touchpad with precise controls will be supported on more apps, while multi-window will allow you to launch a growing list of apps on both halves of the screen. Perhaps the biggest improvement of the Galaxy Flip 4 over the Flip 3 is its better battery life and the faster charging times. The much larger 3700 mAh battery pack now ensures longer runtime, while the 15W charging speed of the Flip 3 turns into super fast charging at up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes with 25W adapter. Needless to say, said adapter isn't in the box, while the 10W wireless charging speed remains unmoved. Galaxy Flip 4 will be available in graphite, pink gold, bora purple and blue colors as standard. You'll also be able to configure a bespoke edition model via Samsung's website, which allows you to mix and match up to 75 unique color combinations. Pricing starts at $1,000. Pre-orders are already open, while shipping begins on August 26th. Guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment sections below about the Galaxy Flip 4. Thanks for watching and see you soon.